Hi, welcome to my channel. If you struggle with chronic illness, mental illness, and or a history of trauma and want to go from stuck to unstoppable, this is the place for you to be. Hi, I'm Cassie Winter. I am a life coach, writer, dancer. I have multiple chronic illnesses, particularly hypermobile Ehlers-Danlos syndrome, postural orthostatic tachycardia syndrome. I also have a history of severe depression and anxiety, which I have recently discovered is a combination of both DSM-5 diagnosed PTSD and complex PTSD. My brain and body are a scary funhouse. Long story short, it took me too many years of my life to figure out how to consistently take action toward my dreams in a way that didn't overwork myself or flare my many issues. And I wish I had had the right kind of support years ago to get me to where I am now faster, which is why I have built my business Accountability Muse, and which is why I am doing this YouTube channel, because I am tired of knowing that there are people out there who are just like I was, who could really use that support. So I am here for you. Let's take you from stuck to unstoppable so your dreams can finally come true. Blah, 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 blah.